Hello, dear students. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are all fine. Wherever you are, stay at home and stay safe and enjoy the online lectures here. Today, we are going to discuss about the concept that is acquired trait, and inherited trait. एक्वायर्ड ट्रैट जो है, एक्वायर्ड trait or character that is one and the same. Indeed, trait is the unit of a character. I have already discussed that. Acquired trait means the character or a trait that is developed by an individual during its lifetime in the form of a character and cannot be passed to the next generation. That is acquired trait. Acquired trait जो है, it is developed due to change in the genes of somatic cells. Change in the genes of somatic cells or change in the phenotype of somatic cells or change in the form of somatic cells. ठीक है. Acquired trait क्या है? It is a trait or a character that is developed by an individual during its lifetime and cannot be passed to the next generation, because the change here occurs not in the gonadal cells, not in the genes of the gonadal cells, but in the genes of somatic cells. ठीक है. And somatic cells are not involved in sexual reproduction. You know that. Acquired trait or a character, for instance, यहां पे मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूं एक्वायर्ड ट्रैट की. reduction in the weight of beetle due to insufficiency of food in the environment. देखो बेसिकली क्या है, एक बीटल है जो यूजुअली फीड करती थी लीव्स पे फीड करती थी बीटल. तो इनिशियली जब उसको एनवायरमेंट में लीव्स ज्यादा मिलते थे तो वो फीड करती थी, तो नेचुरली उसका बॉडी वेट जो है वो इंक्रीज हो जाता था. बॉडी वेट इंक्रीजेस. ठीक है. उसके बाद ड्यू टू एनी एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशन, availability of the leaves decreases in the environment. Availability of leaves decreases in the environment, and therefore nutrient insufficiency has been seen in the beetle. Nutrient insufficiency due to non-availability of or due to insufficient availability of the leaves. ठीक है. leaves पे फीड करती थी बीटल. इनिशियली leaves abundant concentration में होती थी. उसके बाद due to environmental changes, now the availability of the leaves has been reduced. It results the reduction in the weight of the beetle. That result is the reduction in the weight of the beetle. कैसे? यानी कि जितना ग़िज़ा उसको इनिशियली मिलता था इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लीव्स बीटल को, that consequently results the growth, abundant growth or normal growth rate of the beetle in the body of the beetle, और उसका जो ऑटोमेटिकली उसका जो वेट था वो नॉर्मल कुछ ज़्यादा ही था होता था। उसके बाद जब लीव्स अब कम पड़े, विद द रिजल्ट बीटल का जो ग्रोथ रेट है वो डिक्रीज हो गया है, विच कॉन्सिक्वेंटली लीड्स रिडक्शन इन वेट। Reduction in weight. Weight is the character or a trait. Weight is character or a trait. This has been reduced. A reduction in weight or increase in the weight is the change. Is the change in the character, that is weight. जब character change हुआ तो ये character उससे environment, ये पहले से नहीं था, from the birth ये by birth ये नहीं था, ये उससे acquire किया in the environment due to certain environmental changes। ठीक है, तो उस वाले ट्रेट को क्या कहते हैं हम? एक्वायर्ड ट्रेट। तो एक्वायर्ड ट्रेट इसने डेवलप किया है, यहाँ ये रिडक्शन इन द वेट ऑफ द बॉडी ऑफ द बीटल, लेकिन ये पास ऑन नहीं होगा किसमें? नेक्स्ट जनरेशन, बिकॉज दिस इज द चेंज दैट हैपन इन द body of an individual in terms of its weight. This is not the change which has happened in the change in the genes of the gonadal cells. That is why these acquired characters are not being transferred from parents to the offspring generation. Next example I would like to cite here or suggest here, that is breeding experiment performed by Weismann. वेसमैन एक बायोलॉजिस्ट था, नेचुरलिस्ट था। उसने ब्रीडिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट की माइस पे। माइस में उन्होंने ब्रीडिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट, यू नो दैट द ब्रीडिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड दैट। यहां पे माइस है, माइस पे ब्रीडिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट की वेसमैन ने। बट इन दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट he simply cut the tails. उसने टेल कट किए माइस के, जनरेशन ओवर जनरेशन, हंड्रेड्स एंड थाउजेंड्स ऑफ जनरेशंस, बट he find tailless mice never born. He find that tailless mice has never born during the breeding experiment. तो हर कोई जो माइस यहाँ पे बर्थ टेक करता था, दैट टेक्स बर्थ विद देयर व्हाट वी कॉल इट टेल। ठीक है, yes, he find that tailless mice has never born. It means every new mice which comes in the form of F1, F2, F3 generations comes out with the tails. यानी कि basically this disappearing of the tail was an acquired change in the character in the form of a tail. ठीक है, that was acquired change and hence can't be transmitted to the next generations. That is another example of acquired trait. Acquired character और acquired trait की definition लिखेंगे यहाँ पे। It is the trait or character, the trait or character, it is the trait or character that is developed by an organism during its lifetime via environment or environmental influence in its cells or genus of somatic cells. It is non-inheritable and this change ends with the death of an individual. With the death of an individual. That is acquired trait. Next here is that is inherited trait. Inherited trait. Inherited trait और inherited character वो character है that is developed by an organism due to change in its genus of gonadal cells. ठीक है? And this change in the form of a character is transmitted from parents to offsprings. That is why it is also known as inherited. That is, the trait is inheritable. Inherited trait or a character, inherited trait is the trait that is produced or developed by change in the genus of gonadal cells. अब gonadal cells में change है तो gonadal cells are involved in process of gametogenesis. These are involved in the process of fertilization. Then it is the gonadal cell in the form of male sex cell and female sex cell that will finally fuse, that finally fuses and results in the formation of a zygote, which this zygote consequently develops into a new individual being. So that is why any change in the gonadal cells, any change in the genus of gonadal cells results a permanent change, and that is transmittable, and that change in the form of a trait is known as inherited trait or inherited character. ठीक है? For instance, inherited trait or inherited character, beetle color की बात हम अगर करेंगे, beetle that was initially surviving under the environment with red color. Red color. उसके बाद red color was easily detected by the crows, and these crows eat these beetles, red colored beetles. With the passage of time, what happened during the course of this evolution, that this red colored beetle, population of the red colored beetle starts declining, because these were now easily identified by the crows and being eaten. This result is the reduction in the number of the individuals of the red beetle. जो फिर बचे खुचे थे उनकी गोनेडल सेल्स में चेंज आई, genus of gonadal cells. The gene which was responsible for the red body color of the beetle has now been altered due to environmental influence in the gonads, and this gene, altered gene, now expresses in the form of a trait, color trait that was green. तो बॉडी कलर रेड से ग्रीन चेंज हुआ. उससे क्या हो गया कि जब जीन चेंज हुआ, जीन अल्टर हुआ, द जीन विच वाज ऑलरेडी responsible for the red color, body color of the beetle, has now been altered due to environmental influence. Now is expressed in the form of an observable trait, that is green color, in the same beetle. With the result, green color में easily वहाँ पे leaves भी green होते थे, foliage बाकी चीज उनका ग्रीन कलर होता था, तो इजीली ये डिटेक्ट नहीं हो पाते थे क्रोज कौवों को, तो वो उसको नहीं खा पाते थे, ठीक है। तो दैट वाज एडवांटेज, दैट चेंज वाज एडवांटेजस, and that change results due to change in the genes of the gonadal cells, and that green color was now that green color is now inheritable. That is, change occurs in the gonads when this green colored beetle mates with the green colored another beetle, that results the phenotype. That green colored beetle was expressed in the expressed as an observable trait in the nature, ठीक है। that is beetle color। इनहेरिटेबल ट्रैट, ये जो इनहेरिटेबल ट्रैट्स होते हैं, these pass on from one generation to another generation and play a role in evolution, play a role in evolution। Evolution means gradual change, continuous change within the phenocopy of an individual, time over time, that has brought from millions and thousands of years, that ultimately results the new variant in the form of a new individual, in the form of a new species. That is what exactly is evolution. And this inheritable traits, inheritable changes in the form of traits or characters play a role in evolution. Just like here you have right now heard that red colored beetle was changed into green colored beetle। that was one change। इसी तरह बहुत सारी चेंजेस आती है एक इंडिविजुअल में ड्यू टू एनवायरमेंटल प्रेशर्स, तो वो चेंज सम होते हैं। these summation of the changes results the new variants in the form of new offsprings, in the form of new individuals, so these new individuals are at that time referred as new species, ठीक है। that is evolution। so inheritable traits or characters play a role in evolution process। thank you।